So when we look at our customers, we don't treat them all the same. And that starts off with the roles that we're doing. So we have guest B2C, B2B, and enterprise roles for our standard stock customer roles. So for a guest role, you might only allow guests to see product content and no pricing, no inventory. And if they want to buy something, they have to submit a quote saying, hey, send me the best pricing we can do on these items. Then you can reach out to them, see who they are, and allot it. If it's a B2C or B2B customer, maybe you limit what a B2C customer has access to, or a B2B customer, you've got their contract pricing set up. They've got all the My Account modules, and they're good to go. So we can even set up custom user roles on here. So maybe with an extremely difficult customer role, we can come in and decide that, hey, we're gonna limit some of the things that they're doing on the site. Like we're gonna leave the add to cart button, but we're gonna take away the checkout button. And that's gonna be replaced by a submit a quote button. Now they're gonna have to go through an approval process. So maybe if they've been misordering, they're not going to be misordering anymore because we're going to be able to catch that. And then we can take them off probation after a couple of times of using that product.